Exotic wall finishes. You know I'm all about exotic. I'm with my brother right here with natural stone design. He's putting real stone on my house. What do you think about the stone I picked? So right here we're doing a barbecue for Gian. We decided to go with natural stone. This is a granite, Arctic white from Pantai. It's the best for exterior features because it's going to withstand the outdoor elements like the sun, the rain, pretty much anything. If you look here, we did a seamless design for the waterfall feature. We connected the bar right here with the backsplash and the counter. We're doing the final details now. This is my stone guy. You guys want stone? This is the guy to go to. But wait, there's more. So guys, this is what else we did. We did the laundry room. I love laundry room. So I designed this whole thing from the shelves, the whole 9 yards. And then I needed a beautiful stone. So I had to call my boy and he sexed it up for me. So what did we do here?
So here we did the same stone we did in the barbecue, Arctic white granite, and we did a mitered edge 2-inch profile so we can put plywood underneath and get these shelves going in for Gian here. So you can have storage and have his design executed.
Guys, stone work with authentic stone with authentic Venetian plaster with a lime wash look, and the rest of the walls is a dual metallic plaster. Just that alone, the combined together, it just looks beautiful, elegant, modern. It could even look traditional, whatever you guys want. So basically, guys, if you want some natural green products in your home, you get the Venetian plaster and you get the stone. Together, boom, you have a nice, beautiful green home. Exotic.